I want to talk about visualization and the power that it can have when you're really just not feeling good. With everything going on in the world right now, visualization is the perfect tool to be able to take 30 seconds, 2 minutes, even 5 minutes to yourself, go inward and kind of forget about what's happening outside. And the way you do this, there are many ways to visualize, but two of my favorites that I have found have worked really well is the first one is to think about what makes you grateful in this moment. What is it right now? Is it someone in your family? Is it your job? Is it some sort of circumstance that you have? Is it a book that you're reading? Is it the air that you're breathing? Is it your health? Whatever it may be, what are you grateful for? And think about the very first thing that pops into your mind. And that's what you can use to just close your eyes and start visualizing what that looks like. So is it what's making you happy is being with a person? Visualize yourself with that person and hold that visualization, that picture as long as you can. But like I said, even 30 seconds will do the trick. And then my second visualization technique that works instantly is, and it's actually really fun, is to close your eyes and imagine, what is it that I want my life to look like 1 year from today? If it could look any way, right? I could have anything, be anyone that I wanted to be. What would my life look like? And picture that for a minute and a half, 2 minutes, as long as you can. Who are you with? What does it feel like? Why are you doing what you're doing? Is your work different? Are you living somewhere different? Picture it and literally see it. Now, the really important piece of both of these techniques for visualization is to make sure that you feel that happiness, feel that gratitude, okay? So take in, what does that feel like? Recognize it, and then keep that feeling, that good, positive, hopeful feeling with you as long as possible. Each time you're not feeling great, go back to these visualizations, do it again. You can do them anywhere. You can do them before you fall asleep. You can do them while you're at work, while you're, waiting in line somewhere. So try it out. These techniques have worked wonders for me, and I do them every day. And I even set alarms sometimes to remind me. So try it out for yourself and let me know how it works.